Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering essentials that unlock progression: key cards, map fragments, and any interactable tool. Once done, move directly to the nearest terminal and insert the first key card to reveal access nodes. This forces the game to register progress and spawns puzzle elements. Make sure to check audio cues and subtitles because many hidden switches announce themselves audibly. Knowing door colors, red, blue, yellow, lets you prioritize which circuit to power first and why each terminal sequence matters. You now tackle the complex center puzzles by following power traces and linking terminals in the right order. Begin at the terminal you unlocked and observe the LED pattern. Rotate connected panels in 90-degree steps until the lights form the required sequence, because partial alignment won't register. Then move to adjacent rooms, using map markers to match terminal numbers to room layouts, and power each node in the precise order the console suggests. This prevents resets and preserves your previously. You finish by confirming every peripheral node reads full power, then activate the central relay to trigger the final sequence. Once the central screen displays the escape code, input it exactly. Timing matters because the door locks re-engage after a short delay. After the door opens, proceed through quickly to avoid respawn hazards. If things go wrong, try resetting only the last two terminals and redoing their rotations. This fixes most sequence mismatches without losing all progress and saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.